Alright guys, so we are so close to wrapping up here. I've just got one last little piece of advice for you guys. If we go back to edit with Elementor and we go down to the bottom and we go to add another template, if you have a look on the pages library, you'll find that Elementor actually has pages already made up as well that you can implement into your site. Now, a lot of these are pro, meaning that you have to have the paid version, but there is plenty of really nice looking free ones that you could potentially mix and match. You could delete sections. All you would do is just insert the page, and just like that, you would have that entire page implemented. So, and it's quite an impressive page that you get for free. So if you were showing off something like a piece of technology or an app or anything like this, this would be a perfect thing to use. And what you could also do is, if there's certain areas that you like, perhaps you just want this area, you would just simply go through and you could remove this section here, and you could remove all the rest and just leave this one in here. And that's how you could implement even more things into your site. There's also one other section called blocks, where essentially these are pre-made little blocks, little areas. So they're little sections that you can add in and then go through and customize them. If you look in the folder I gave you, there's also a section called section templates. Now, these are a lot of the different sections that we've used throughout the theme that I created for you guys, the template that I created for you guys. I've broken them down into sections so you can easily implement each of them into separate areas on your website.